going to need a couple of things. First things first, the spritz, just water and conditioner, and then my leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use this one, Vatica leave-in conditioner, and then I will seal the moisture with this oil, also from Vatica as well. And then we will need the rubber bands, and then I'm going to use this comb and the red tail comb to do my parts. And then I will use this gel. I've been loving it lately. And then I'm gonna use these brushes. So yeah, let's get started. I spritz my hair with water, conditioner, and a little bit of avocado oil so that it can be easy to manipulate, it can be easy to handle. Just the mixture, just make it soft, and then it's easier to work with. And then I proceed to part my hair. I'm going to do two chunky braids, two chunky cornrows. So I decided not to do a middle part but to do it on the side, and that's just what I'm doing here. I'm going to moisturize using the Vatica leave-in conditioner. I've been loving it since I started using it. It moisturizes my hair well and it smells so amazing. I just love it. And then I seal in the moisture with the Vatica hair oil just to make sure that my hair is properly hydrated while it's in a protective state, because you don't want your hair to dry out and then it breaks. And then I add a little bit of oil to the rubber bands as well, so that they are easier to work with, that they don't cause any friction to my hair. And then I make one part and I put in the rubber bands. I tightly put it in there so that the hair can be neat, and I continue doing that. I'm just going to continue parting the hair and then securing it with rubber bands, and I will Now to make the pom-poms or the bubbles, I will use another rubber band. I will identify how big I want the bubble to be, and then I put in a rubber band to secure the bubble to the next braid, and then I will comb it out to combine the hair from the previous bubble because it's a bit shorter, and then I will hide it at the back and put in another rubber band and secure it to the next braid, to the next cornrow or to the next bubble, and then just fluff it a little bit so that it makes a neat looking bubble. And then I'm just gonna continue putting the hair with rubber bands. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but hopefully you can see and make sense of it. I'm gonna show you again how I do it. So I identify where I want the bubble to end, and I put in a rubber band there. And then after doing that, I will attach with that same rubber band onto the next braid just to make a nice pom-pom. And then once that is securely done, I will then take a comb and comb out the hair, because the hair from the previous bubble is shorter than the hair in the current bubble, and I just want that hair to be at the back so that when I tie it with a rubber band, it's nicely hidden. And then after tying it with a rubber band, I fluff up the bubble and then attach it onto the next cornrow using the same rubber band, or if you don't want to use that same rubber band, you can take another one to attach it onto the next cornrow, onto the next part or section, and then you comb the hair out and then you repeat the process. I did the other side of camera because I did not want to make the video long unnecessarily as I'm doing the same thing. And then to end off the bubble, I will put on a rubber band as if I'm doing another bubble to attach somewhere, and then I will just pin it onto the last part. I will wrap it and then secure it there using the same rubber band, and then that's it. The bubbles are nicely pinned down onto the braid that they were in.